Welcome aboard. Your onboarding journey starts here. Step 1. HR emails your welcome kit with account setup. Step 2. Complete your profile and security verification.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create animated educational videos with Fotor Video Agent. Whether you're creating employee onboarding, company training, or other educational videos, the process is simple and efficient.
First, enter the main page of Fotor Video Agent and input the prompt in the text box at the bottom right. This prompt is organized into several key sections. It starts with the theme to define the training topic, followed by the story to outline the learning process step by step. Then, visual style, characters, motion, and typography describe how the video should look and feel. Finally, mood and quality help refine the overall presentation, making it easier for the AI to generate a clear, engaging, and professional educational video. After it receives the instruction, it will respond promptly, analyze your instructions, and provide corresponding solutions. For instance, it first offers a voiceover script for viewing. After confirming that there are no errors and clicking Confirm, it will start the next process, just like your assistant editor, step by step confirming your ideas and demands. Here, it provides me with the voice of the voiceover. You can choose a sound color that you think suits you.
Welcome to Vibe Video. Tell us your idea in your own words, and AI will create your video.
Then select it. After that, it will provide a complete script. If you are not satisfied with the script, you can directly make modifications on it. When you are satisfied, click Confirm. It can be seen that the video agent immediately started the analysis and response. A complete video can be generated in a moment. You can see that all the materials have been automatically arranged in the timeline. If you want to change the order, you can do it within the timeline. The area in the upper left is the material area, where all the generated materials are stored for easy access. You can adjust the parameters in the upper right corner. Here, you can change the background color, card color. If you need to add subtitles, you can directly click the Subtitle Add button. Back to the main page. After following this process, you will be able to obtain a complete video of the enterprise training process.